If you want to factory reset your Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, you have two main ways to do so. So the first method is by choosing settings. Let's open settings. Over here we can scroll all the way down and choose system, and then over here we can go to reset options in order to find erase all data factory reset. Over here you will find the summary of everything that will be removed, which is pretty much everything. And it includes only your internal storage, so if you have the SD card, then by default it won't be erased. Over here you can, however, select that you want to format or erase your memory card, however you don't have to select it. Remember to make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose in this process. And nevertheless, once you are certain that you want to perform the factory reset, we can press erase all data over here, enter your screen lock password, and then once again press erase all data to confirm. The second method to erase everything from the phone to perform the factory reset or hard reset is by using the recovery mode. In order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to turn off our phone, so we can press power button and volume up at the same time, and then we can tap power off to shut down the phone. Once the phone is completely off, you want to press and hold the power button and volume down button. So let's press and hold both of these buttons at the same time until we are in the fast boot. There we go. Now over here we can press volume buttons in order to choose a different option, and you want to search for recovery mode and then confirm by pressing power button. The phone will quickly restart. And after that you should see a dead Android logo with the no command text. There we go. In order to proceed, we need to press and hold the power button, but then while holding the power button, press volume up. So something like this. Press and hold power and then volume up. There we go. And as you can see now we are in the Android recovery mode. Once again, use volume buttons in order to navigate, and we want to choose the wipe data / factory reset option and confirm by pressing the power button, and then over here choose factory data reset in order to proceed. In case you see additional instructions on the screen, then of course follow them to finalize this process. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.